Buttercup, and we're Smiles and Buttercup.
Okay. We're going to be doing a burping contest.
That's very feminine.
Yeah.
Very. So, you know.
So. Yup. And.
Oh gosh, your kids are probably back at me.
She slipped out of the chair. I'm serious. It hurt.
We should start this off by doing a challenge contest. Whatever this is. Go. Okay.
It's not your turn yet. Seriously, stop doing that.
Doing what?
That's what my dad's yelling.
So can be the big, big, big. Okay, I'm gonna go.
I got squat.
Okay, so. Something coming. I got nothing.
Well, that's this video.
Well, I've obviously won.
Well, I ran out of drink, so.
Because you spilled it. Handshake.
Ow! Ew! You didn't do that in the last one.
Friendship! Well, that was our burping contest. I'm Smiles and I'm Buttercup. And we're Smiles and Buttercup. Isn't I'm alive when all the stars collide.
21. Dance.
Ah, I lost it.
Oh my god.
Smarticles.